There is a new investment theme on Wall Street. It is called avoid getting Amazoned. And this goes beyond actually owning Amazon and some of the other hot technology stocks, the FANG stocks and FAMG stocks with Microsoft, depending on how you go with it. This is actually about avoiding companies that might get clobbered. And this theme really took hold when Amazon announced it was going to buy Whole Foods. We saw immediate impact in other retailer stocks like Walmart, Kroger, and others. Folks assumed, wow, Amazon's going to come up with some magical technology solution delivering our groceries from Whole Foods. This is going to impact the rest of the industry. Folks got very worried about that. And there have been other examples of the same thing. There was a story that Amazon was talking to Nike about directly selling Nikes. Dick's Sporting Goods got clobbered on that story. Folks in the UK are shorting the stocks of retailers there, fearing the big e-commerce boom. We had a stock called Grubhub, which does technology, automated delivery from restaurants in New York and other cities. Morgan Stanley came out and said, careful, they may get Amazoned because Amazon Restaurants is really taking hold. I have to say, as a fervent Amazon customer and shareholder, I was startled to learn that there even was such a thing as Amazon Restaurants. So the amount of hold that it's taking may be overstated there, but interesting to know that Amazon's in that. And then this week as well, a REIT called Store Capital received an investment from Warren Buffett, who basically, the speculation is, invested because Store Capital has arranged its portfolio to invest in the real estate of companies that provide services and therefore are not as likely to get Amazon. So even Warren Buffett apparently getting in on the action. Fortunately, the moment he invested, the stock went up and it immediately got downgraded as a result. So once again, Warren gets in ahead of the rest of us. The only story I would share on this, going back, obviously the theme of avoiding bad things that might happen is a very sound investment one. But I will say that late 1990s, when I was an Amazon analyst, I remember going around to talk to clients with another analyst, and we were talking then about avoiding retailers that might get Amazon. And that mattered for a year, but then ultimately it didn't matter for about 10 years. I'd say as an Amazon shareholder, no company can do everything. Amazon is already doing a remarkable number of things well. There's no way it will be able to do everything. So perhaps the fear of getting Amazon is getting a little overhyped at this point.